Project's in Kansas City, Missouri. It's a interchange reconfiguration at I-435 and I-70 east of downtown. The project includes approximately 11 new bridges, removal of 4 existing bridges, pavement widening. Each bridge is approximately 450 feet long and 50 feet high. This project is challenging because of the massive structures to be removed over a single weekend. That's an unprecedented task in demolition.
Well, these 2 bridges were tall, very, very tall. That normal excavator couldn't reach them. So we were having to do all the demo with 2 high-reach tracos with their standard booms on. So 2 machines to do the majority of the hard work. It was pretty pressing. Well, normally on a job like this, we would probably have about a month, and it would be set up different. We'd be working normal hours. Under these circumstances, combining it all into one weekend. As you can see, there's a lot of machines out here, a lot of trucks, and it's 24/7 till we get done. The machinery we're using today starts off with the 2 high reaches. We have a 480 Volvo high reach, and it's running a 10,000 pound hoe ram on it. And we're using the standard stick and boom on the machine, not the high reach boom. The other model is a 750 Volvo, which we just bought. This is the first job it's actually got to do.
Very rarely do you have the need to run 2 high reaches on a single project. It's a very unique situation here to have these massive bridge teardowns in this short duration.
Well, this is the first time we've used 2 high reaches on one job, but they work so well together. I think in the future is going to be a lot of 2 high reaches on each job. It is safety, speed, reliability, just make the job go smoother. I like having 2 of them out there. I would have to say durability, strength. I mean, we're using them to the max for a weekend, and they've treated us real well